Chris from Ski Bartlett, and I've been testing the Blizzard Brahma 82. This is a brand new ski this year to the Brahma range, and it is incredible. Hard snow performance, edge to edge, it holds through all conditions. The slush that we're experiencing today is quite a hot day, but in the shade there's still some ice, so changeable conditions, and it's still absolutely bomb-proof. Highly recommended for a stronger intermediate skier who's looking to really advance their performance, but maybe take a little bit of the side piece if they feel it all in. Super great skiing, great value for money.